Hello everyone, welcome back to Taurus Wealth. Today is Tuck It Away $2 Tuesday, and today we will be filling two of our binders, and we will be starting with our debt binder first. Let's move this cash drawer out the way. Let's see here. So the first one we have is hospital, which I have it written as medical as well, but it looks like we have 30 in there. And so for Tuck It Away $2 Tuesday, we're going to add $2, and that's going to make that 32. Let's grab from this side. 1, 2. So now for medical / hospital, we have $32. Nice. I'm going to put this $2 in the front. Yeah, I'm going to put the $2 in the front. All right. Next one is student loans. This money's brand new. It's kind of sticking together. Now, I do currently pay my student loans every month, but this is extra income. This is extra money that I have left over, and so I'm just stuffing it instead of spending it to help get it down faster. So we have $2 for business taxes. So I add $2 here. That's why you won't see me having to pull any money out of any of these folders or / binders, because I currently pay them in my monthly bill rotation. But this, like I said, is just extra income left over after each check that I'm stuffing, trying to get ahead. So we have personal taxes. That's a new one I added, because at first I just had taxes. Wait, what did I do here? Yeah, at first I just added taxes, and then I was like, well, when I actually have to pay my taxes, it's actually going to be two different ones. So I was like, well, let me separate that. So this one is a new one. This is personal, and we're going to start it off with $2. For $2 Tuck It Away Tuesday. All right. So personal taxes is now included. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have four cash envelopes, and we put $2 in each one of them. So far we've stuffed $8 for our Tuck It Away Tuesday. And our next is this light blue one here, and this is our self-care binder. So, made me a little dashboard. Okay, so we're going to start with beauty. And let's see how much beauty has. Beauty has $30 in there already. So we're going to be adding $2 to beauty, which will give us 32. Accessories. Nails. hair. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're gonna pull out a $10 bill. I'm gonna try to condense it as I go. When I can, at least, you know. Shoes. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the 10. And then I'm gonna put in 2. Clothing. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to put in 2. Okay, so for our self-care binder, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 cash envelopes, all received $2 for a total of $12. And that will conclude our Tuck It Away $2 Tuesdays. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye-bye.